Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Aaron Labman here, owner of Attention to Detail, Luxury Detailing in Highland, Indiana. Today, I've got this 2025 Chevy Corvette C8 in Hysteria Purple, and we are going to be doing a full front end of film. I wanted to show you guys the process and kind of walk you through the process as well, and so you can see exactly what we do when it comes to paint protection film and what kind of sets us apart from all the rest of the shops around here that don't tuck all the edges, that have little bubbles, that have little pieces of dust and dirt and debris. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's going to be pretty informative. We're going to be doing a full front end of paint protection film, so we're going to be covering the entire hood, the entire two fenders, the entire front bumper, all of the black accent pieces. I believe there's about 14 of them, both the headlights, the mirror caps, the entire mirror stalks. These are 7 pieces each. The partial A pillars from here to right here. Partial A pillar is a piece of paint next to the windshield, and the partial roof up top here, as well as the door handles. We're going to be doing both the door handles on each side, so 4 pieces in total, so that every time the client gets in, they don't scratch or mar up the gloss black carbon flash accent. So this front end here is actually really important that you dial it in and you do it right, because there's a lot of little curves and accents, and when it comes to paint protection film, you can actually see here every single one of these curves that needs to be filmed is it's very, very difficult, and this front end already has a chip on it. That sucks. But each one of these is individual pieces. This piece here, 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 this piece here. These are all separate pieces, and so we do every single one of them, and we do remove the badges, and then we'll put them back on. Depending on the badge, we'll either buy a new one or double-sided tape it. For this one, we're going to remove this one, put the film underneath, and then put it back on. And because this front splitter is not painted, it's plastic, we don't have to PPF that. And yeah, our PPF has a 10-year warranty. We use KDX films. It's one of the best. It has the most optical clarity, and it's got no yellowing in it. We've been using it for quite a few years now, and we've done a bunch of tests on the trunk of my car. And we've seen all the different brands that are yellowing, and this one seems to be the most optically clear, and has the best longevity for the hydrophobics. It has self-healing properties as well. Little swirls and scratches don't even stay. They get completely self-healed with the sun. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy the video. We did a full prep on this already with an iron decon and a clay bar, and now we're going to go into our clean room and do our full application of PPF. So hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty, we just finished up the C8 Corvette in Hysteria Purple. It's winter outside here in Chicago, Northwest Indiana, so I got my coat on, but I wanted to do a full video just wrapping up this full front end of PPF and just the quality of install that you get when working with us. The clients here actually watching, ready to pick up, so it's pretty cool. But basically, I wanted to explain a little bit more on the quality of our work and why choosing us is the option that you should. So very, very important that when you're getting film work done, that all the edges get wrapped and tucked around, so that way you don't see any of the film itself, and that there's no bubbles, no lifting, no peeling edges, all of that. It's very, very important when you're getting film work done. Another thing is that you have a properly retaped emblem, whether that's on the front emblem, whether that's on the sides, wherever that may be. It's very, very important that the shop that you choose actually uses a proper adhesive, so that the emblem doesn't just come flying off of the PPF and not sticking properly to the adhesive. So just a full recap on this. So we did a full front end PPF, so the full hood, the full 2 fenders, the full front bumper, the headlights, all the bumper accents, the mirror stalks, the partial A-pillars, and the partial roof, and the door panels as well. Or the door handles, not the panels, the door handles as well. So very, very important that we protect this entire front end, just making sure that it's protected from the physical damages in the world, you know, rock chips, dings, scratches, scrapes. All the roads around here have potholes galore, and it's very important that you protect your investment. The film, if it were to ever get damaged, as long as it's not through the paint, the film just comes right off and you can put a new piece on, which is pretty awesome, at least in my opinion. And it has a 10-year manufacturer's warranty from any lifting, bubbling, peeling, cracking, fading, you name it. But just check out the edge work. Just check out these edges. I mean, it's just fantastic. You can't even see the film, for crying out loud. It's pretty fantastic. I love these edges. Yeah, the team did a great job on this one. I'm super happy with how everything came out. This one is awesome. I love this color purple too. Maybe someday we'll be able to do the back of the vehicle. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, or you can always call us, 219-533-8783. Thanks again for watching. My name's Aaron with Attention to Detail here in Highland, Indiana. Or you can always give us a text or visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully we can earn your business soon. Call for a consultation today. Aaron out.